under that white... There's a giant present under that white tablecloth. Do you feel like you're on The Price is Right?
Yeah.
Sorry, no room for you in the car, Mr. Bear. Because there's a Claire in the car.
I gotta put a battery in it, Claire, and then it'll run. Let me go get it.
What do you think?
That's my new car.
Do you know who that's from? This is from Auntie Lynn sent you this car. Can you look at the camera and say, thank you, Auntie Lynn?
Thank you, Auntie Lynn.
We're going to send her this movie so she can see. I think you're pretty excited about it.
I'm going to drive the car.
Yeah, we're going to put the...
I'll go to the store.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What are you going to do at the store?
I'll turn to get to the store.
You have to do what?
I'll drive to the store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you going to get at the store?
I don't know. My back.
A new car!
New car?
What do you think?
Good.
Good.
Okay, I'm going to turn it off, and Daddy's going to put a battery in it for you so you can really drive it.